I'm from Miami, Florida. I like to drink coffee, especially at night. It doesn't keep me up. I go to sleep. I love yoga and I love to meditate. When I first got into modeling, I got bit by the travel bug. I went to Mexico, Jamaica, but there was something about Thailand. I still get in awe when I think about my first trip. It was just like a memory that stuck.
And as rent prices skyrocketed in Miami, it became harder for Kellie to keep up.
I'm a single mom. My apartment is very small and it's really expensive.
Looking for a cheaper alternative, Kellie thought more about Thailand. And on a scouting trip to Chiang Mai, she met a fellow expat who was recently in her shoes.
I've been living in Chiang Mai for about 5 years. Me and Kellie have a lot in common. We both have daughters, and we're both from Miami, so it was like instant.
Nubian really opened my eyes that I don't need to live in the United States.
Hey there. Good.
And then I got my dream job in Chiang Mai modeling, but also running my own model agency there.
If she wanted the job, it meant moving as soon as possible. And uprooting her older daughter Amira from her senior year of high school was a tough sell.
She wanted to do prom, homecoming, all the fun things. It makes me sad, but she is gonna stay with my mom. I'm hoping she'll visit, but this is a great opportunity for me and Penny. With me teaching her homeschool, it's not just math, reading, writing. We're learning about different cultures, and I want her to experience it as well. We wanna finally have space so we can do yoga and meditation and get my zen on.
Chiang Mai is one of those places you would come to when you want to work on self. It's very quaint, it's quiet, you can really sit back and be calm.
Founded in the late 13th century, Chiang Mai became the cultural capital of northern Thailand, and there are remnants of its impressive architecture still visible today. Over the years, the fortified old city has expanded into a modern urban sprawl, with new neighborhoods being built in a matter of weeks.
There's so much construction, it's crazy. Some good areas for Kellie would probably be not too far from Old City, maybe in Haengdong. I think she would like that area, or even the area that I'm in. I live in Serapi, and we're about 20 minutes away from Old City.
I want a big room.
Okay.
Oh, and a garden.
My expectations in Thailand, I feel like I'm pretty realistic. I know the housing market here is rising, so finding a home is gonna be tough.
We don't have much left in the market. If she sees something she likes, she should grab it because it will be gone the next day. You looking for a house?
Yes, with 3 bedrooms, because I have my daughter and maybe my other daughter will visit. Something modern, lots of natural light, a nice area for homeschool. I love to cook, so full kitchen.
Furnished or unfurnished?
Furnished with a big garden for Penny.
How much you willing to pay?
$400.
Is it flexible?
410?
I love the smile.
All the houses is very near Sarapi, where she lives.
That's good.
It's very important that we find somewhere that she feels comfortable with.
So Umi takes Kellie and Nubian to her only listing in one of the top expat neighborhoods of Chiang Mai.
This is Wangtan. It's next to Sarapi. It's the most popular neighborhood that the expat want to move into.
Wow, okay.
But it's more pricey in this neighborhood. So only have 2 bedrooms available.
Okay.
I like the neighborhood. They have a lot of different things that you can walk to, like coffee shops.
It's good for Kellie. She can have more friends there.
Nice.
The orange, I love this color.
And garden.
With grass.
Yeah.
Penny would love this. So, Umi, how much?
It's 515.
That's a little steep for 2 bedrooms.
Yeah, only one house left in this neighborhood, very popular for expat. Let's check inside.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Okay.
I love this space. Penny would love this to skate, and then maybe a table here. Wow.
Lots of space.
Nice coffee table.
Does it let down?
Yeah.
A pull-out couch. I'm not really sure how I feel about that. I really want Amira to come and visit.
That was my big concern. That's not enough for her 2 daughters.
What's this room over here?
It's a guest room.
More windows. But what I love the idea of having birds, but not pooping on my window.
They probably love the glass house as well. Everybody poops.
And nice view to the neighbors.
Yeah.
This will probably be Penny's room.
I think she'll like it. Lots of natural light.
And an open kitchen.
Yeah.
Steps down.
Little steep. I feel like it's not a lot of counter space though.
Not at all.
So this would be a cutting board.
You can cut here on the table.
So it's a nice little back area, washing machine. I mean, I like this place. For $515 in Miami, I could probably get a cardboard box. So this is the main room?
Yeah.
Windows again! I just wish it was a 3-bedroom. I don't know how I feel about Penny being downstairs and my room would be upstairs. She's my baby and I still want her close, but not that far away. More bird poo.
Ah, my eyes.
Sorry.
You can see the garden from here.
Yeah, I got a view of the garden. Umi, watch your step. It's the bathroom.
Yes.
No shower curtain.
No.
It's really tight in here.
Yeah.
Did they finish this?
This is a raw concrete.
Ugly. I feel like they need to come back and fix it. I'm really loving all the windows, and I feel like Penny would love the patio. The location is perfect, but I just feel like there's not enough space. You know, where I'm gonna put a mirror when she comes to visit.
Yeah, but besides that, it's a perfect house for her. Next house, I'm going to show her something bigger, but it's gonna be more expensive.
And the construction.
Yeah, it's gonna be finished in a month or 2.
I know how it is here in Chiang Mai. There's no way it'll be done real soon.
Kelly is very nice, but she's just like so many expats moving here. She's asking for a lot, especially in the popular district.
To get Kelly space for both of her girls, Umi finds something close to Nubian, but in a more developing area.
The next house is in Prague area, which is a border of Sarapi, kind of mix of expats and local people. Local, not local. This place, I think you're gonna like it because brand new. You're gonna be the first person to live there.
Wow, okay. I'm so excited about this, but I can see that there's construction.
Yeah, neighborhood's like 7 months old project.
Wow, it's so modern. But the construction.
Yeah, it's almost done. It's gonna be finished in a month or 2.
Okay.
It has 3 bedrooms, modern style, fully furnished, and little garden for Penny. But it's $570.
That's way more than what I wanted to pay. Better be worth it.
Yeah, you're gonna love this house.
Wow. Look at these high ceilings and this couch.
Ooh, looks comfy.
Wow. The lights.
Ooh,
They look like Saturn. Beautiful. And this would be like the dining area. So a really good table for homeschooling. This house is really refreshing. It has that brand new home car smell. I don't know what smell that is, but it smells good. And it has a lot of potential.
This is a main bedroom.
Look at this ceiling again.
I can't get enough of this.
I don't know if I like the view though. There's a lack of privacy.
Definitely.
You can see the construction.
I told you, it's nearly finished.
Location-wise, it's not glamorous, but it's close to Nubian, not too far from Old City. Just the construction is still a little scary.
I totally agree. I know how it is with construction. I don't believe, Umi, that it'll be done real soon.
Here's the bathroom, and it's modern.
And rain shower.
Oh, I love this. What's this from? Oh, the kitchen. Kind of small. I feel isolated.
You do?
Oh, wait, I like to cook around people. And
You mean-
I'm in a,
You want this open space?
yes.
At least you got your stove.
But if I'm gonna pay $570, it really has to be worth it. I cook all my food in the house. In this kitchen, I don't feel inspired to cook. So what's here?
The washing machine, and Ali can walk around the house.
Oh, so this is it.
Yes.
It's a alleyway of grass.
Yeah. This place is not perfect. The price is a little high,
Oh, wow.
but it's realistic. And I could definitely see myself coming over and hanging out.
This would, I guess, be Penny's room?
It's got potential.
It's bigger than her room in Miami, so. So this room, I guess, could be Amira's.
Yeah.
This room has potential.
After the other house, I'm glad that she's into it.
This house could work. I love the idea of 3 bedrooms because Amira can come over and visit, or I could turn it into an office when she's not visiting. What I don't really like is the kitchen. I don't like how it's away.
Right.
And all this construction. And it's quite a bit more than what I wanted to pay. I'm not sold just yet.
If you want something cheaper, maybe you have to get a condo instead.
Umi finds Kellie a spacious bargain,
4-bedroom.
close to Nubian, but in an older area.
Nice view.
That's apartment.
I like the house that it's close to Nubian, but I don't want to be depressed next to Nubian.
After seeing 2 newer builds, Umi switches things up, going for space and a lower price in an older, more local neighborhood.
It's a bit outside the city in Sibuangan. This area, more local, not a lot of expat. But it's 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom.
4 bedrooms. Okay, wow. Let's see this. I like the color.
Oh, wow, you have like a little garden.
Yeah. Penny can make mud pies.
It needs a little work.
And look at the view.
Kind of close.
Okay, and how much?
It's $485.
This house is a little more affordable, which is very important, but I don't like the location. It's not close to anything.
Well, other than me. Okay. A little small.
A little old. Can the furniture be replaced?
Nope.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my goodness, it gets worse. Here we have the dining room. Oh no. I like to bird watch, not be in a bird cage.
Just for security,
Okay, what are these?
baking soda, get rid of the ants.
This place is a bit cagey. I could tell by the look on Kellie's face, she is not having none of this.
Is the kitchen?
Nope. We have outdoor kitchen to cook the food, but inside it's like a pantry to prepare the food. Can clean the dishes here, stove, and the tank will be underneath.
Underneath that. They don't like the gas smell in the house, like when you're
Cooking
cooking.
smell,
Cooking
hot kapao or
smells, yeah.
chili smell.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But the washing machine is in the kitchen, so when I cook my food, it will smell like my clothes.
Oh. Maybe it's not up to her standard.
Let me take pictures.
But this house is good for Kellie because she needed rooms for her daughters.
Okay, so maybe for Amira. I do like having the 4-bedroom idea. It does have potential, but still, it's kind of ugly. Wow, these stairs are so small. Wow.
You can change the wallpaper.
Let me put the camera on wide. So small in here.
Main bedroom, right here.
This is actually a nice size.
Lots of windows.
Still the view of the apartment. Okay. I mean, I could see potential for this room.
Has walk-in closet, balcony, and the bathroom.
So you do have more space.
Yeah, I like this area. So small. Wow, Umi, you almost fooled me. Oh, that's it. I like the house that it's close to Nubian, but I don't want to be depressed next to Nubian. There's a lot of space, and that's why she probably showed me this, but this is a little, not a little, I'm being nice. It's outdated. It's just really old. I think Umi tried.
ขอโทษนะคะ
I understand Umi's trying to match my budget, but still, I wanted something better. I'm a little bit confused on what I'm gonna sacrifice. I need to get serious and focus on me and my girls.
Which area do you really like?
Say no more.
I'm gonna make the executive decision here.
What do you think about the first house in the expat neighborhood?
It has a garden for Penny. I love the open space, so many windows, but it's a 2-bedroom, and I really would want a place for Amira to come and visit.
And she's not sleeping in my room.
Oh, right. Her bedroom would be downstairs and yours would be up.
I don't know how I feel about that.
What do you think about the brand new house? Because I like that one. Those ceilings were really high.
Yes, with the Saturn lights.
What?
Has 3 bedrooms. Even the neighborhood was nice.
Was it quiet?
I'm sure it will be.
It was a little expensive.
Girl, $570 isn't that bad. What about the last house?
Even though it had 4 bedrooms, I know Amira wouldn't have liked any of the rooms when she comes to visit.
I don't think you would have liked it at all.
So I'm gonna have to just veto it.
Yeah, a hard pass. So, what do you think?
Well, I really liked the brand new house.
And when Mira comes,
Yeah, and they had an extra room. But the kitchen was small in a way versus the 2-bedroom home where the steps are leading to the kitchen. I felt like it was more open but facing the neighbors.
And the bird poop.
maybe I can make nets for them.
And charge them rent.
Say no more.
It has a lot of potential, but because of not having the extra room for when Amira visits, I don't know.
Well, maybe she can use the pull-out couch, you know, when she gets there.
She's a teenager.
I get it, but she'll still be comfortable.
Or maybe I can sleep in your room and then she sleeps in my room.
Oh, you're such a nice little sister.
So, there you have it.
2-bedroom home it is. It feels great to have a home in Chiang Mai. I've been doing way more modeling than I thought I would, but also my model agency is going well, and homeschool's going really nice.
We call it world school. And I love my room.